Welcome to Intro to Product Usage Data. If you're a self-serve, open source, or PLG company, this tutorial is for you because I'm going to walk you through how you can take your product signals and action on them in Unify. Let's get into it. First, let's say we're logging into the Unify platform and we see our usual company screen. I'm going to show you how to navigate to a new dashboard that shows you all of the product events that are streaming into Unify. First, you're going to go to Settings in the bottom left-hand corner and click Web and Product Data. In this dashboard, we can see all of the events, custom, page views, identify, or otherwise, that are streaming in from the main data sources that you can integrate into Unify, which is PostHog, Segment, and the Unify Intent Client, which is a React or JavaScript SDK. This pretty much gives you full control to bring in any key product signals that are important for you to action on. The scope of this tutorial is going to cover how to action on the data that's already coming in. But if you want to configure and set up all of your data sources, you can click on the Settings tab here and read the documentation to connect Segment, PostHog, or your Unify Intent Client. As a PLG company, open source company, or self-serve business with an enterprise motion, you probably already have some way of keeping track of the product usage signals that signal when someone's ready for enterprise, right? So this could be seat utilization. This could be utilizing a certain percentage of the free tier of an enterprise feature, or inviting a lot of teammates, or having high daily active users. Any one of those signals is a good signal to action on. I'm going to show you how to connect that signal into your plays and then how to build a play and automation around it so that instead of your sales teams updating Slack to see if new notifications have come in, your team can just automate the bare minimum of this and focus their attention on the higher touch points as needed. Let's say that usage is one of the main levers that signals when someone's ready for an enterprise tier of our product. For purposes of an example, let's say we want to reach out to them when they've built over 100 workflows. To do that, in the trigger node of the play, we want to capture a person who, under the custom event, has built over 100 workflows anytime in the last 30 days. As you can imagine, we can use this for any custom signal tailored to our business. So it might be usage of a product. Maybe there's a certain amount of daily active users that trigger an upsell moment. Maybe it's seat utilization or credit utilization. These are all good examples for this kind of play. To finish the example, let's go ahead and click Done. Now all we have to do is enroll them into a sequence and then sync everything back into Salesforce. That's how easy it is to action on your product usage data. I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and see you in the next video.